Hey people, so I just decided to watch one of these classic films called Water, which is by Deepa Mehta. And truly, yeah, this film, it is set in 1938. So it deals with this whole thing of how, widows of those times had to just kind of shave their heads and live by the river Ganga. But what is baffling is that apparently, according to a 2001 census, till date, even in the present day also, at least in 2001, there were 34 million widows around that area. 34 million would be, I don't know, it's I mean, the kind of because it was a practice that after you lose your spouse, you're supposed to just be wearing clean be clean shaven and sit by the river Ganga. And so this film is very hard hitting like that. And Lisa Rani Ray, who's she plays this very pretty, she's also one of the widows. And honestly, the protagonist of the story is this child widow, this little girl. And then you have John Abraham's character who falls in love with Lisa Ray. But then there is this very tragic and very ugly twist to the story. So it's a hard hitting film, yeah. But if you ever get the chance, you should watch it. Water by Deepa Mehta. It's a slow film, but it's like you are watching reality unfold in front of your eyes, because right from the casting to the whole the set, everything, it just takes you back in time. So it is a film unlike anything else. Water by Deepa Mehta, starring Lisa Rani Ray and John Abraham. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.